Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will uncover the 5 essential AWS tools that can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity, whether you are experienced or just starting out in the world of the DevOps. These tools are bound to make your life easier. Alright, let's face it, many teams struggle with inefficiencies and slow deployment processes in their DevOps practices. Have you ever found yourself frustrated with how long it takes to push your code to the production? Believe me, you are not alone. Slow deployment can lead to missed deadline, unhappy client, and a whole lot of stress as well. So what we can do about it? The answer lies in the right tool. And today we are going to identify the AWS tool that can help overcome these hurdles, making your deployment process smoother and even faster. If you have tired of the bottleneck in your workflow, stick around because these tools are here to save your day. Let's jump right into our list. The first tool on our list is AWS Code Pipeline. AWS Code Pipeline is a continuous integration and a continuous delivery service that help you to automate your release pipeline. With AWS Code Pipeline, you can quickly model and visualize your software release process, making it super easy to deploy your code in a matter of minutes instead of hours. It integrates with other AWS services, which make it a perfect fit for your DevOps workflow. Next in the list, we have the AWS Cloud Formation. AWS Cloud Formation tool help you to manage your infrastructure as a code. We have an alternate tool as well, that is a Terraform. Imagine being able to define your entire cloud resources using a simple JSON or YAML template. With AWS CloudFormation, you can automate the setup and configuration of your infrastructure, and you can also ensure consistency and reducing the chances of human error. No more manual step. Moving on, let's talk about the next tool on our list, that is the Amazon Elastic Container Service or ECS. Containers are becoming increasingly important in the DevOps ecosystem, and AWS ECS service make it easy to run and manage Docker container on the AWS cloud. If you want to scale your application quickly and efficiency, AWS ECS is a way to go. Plus, it integrates with other AWS services as well. So you can focus on what really matter, building amazing application. The fourth tool on our list is AWS Code Build. AWS Code Build is a fully managed continuous integration service that compiles your source code, run tests, and produce software packages ready for the deployment. With AWS Code Build service, you don't have to worry about managing your build servers or scaling your build capacity. AWS Code Build scale automatically based on your traffic, which means you can only focus on writing code and not managing infrastructure. And the last tool on our list is Amazon CloudWatch. Monitoring your application is a crucial for maintaining uptime and performance. An AWS CloudWatch service provide you with the metrics and the logs you need to keep an eye on everything. With features like alarms, automated actions, you can respond to issue in real time, and you can also ensure your application runs smoothly. Now, I have revealed all the top tools that you need in your organization. These tools are the game changer. These tools automate code deployment, help you provide testing, and you can respond quickly